bring it on stage, Vishal and Hital on stage. Now let me first ask you, who enrolled for Trader and Me, you or you? You enrolled for the program.
Actually, I can say I invested 500 rupees
500 rupees, oh wow.
for hashtag. Yeah, during last Diwali. I got it on 31st of December as my New Year gift.
Oh wow.
I finished reading it within 4 days.
Oh,
I got
wow.
inspired by the book. I registered for ABCD 360.
That was
I
January.
invested another few thousand of rupees. After ABCD, I swiped my card, for which he was not ready, but I convinced him I want to do, or we have to do this program if we want to grow in our life.
Perfect.
So we have to do a program called Trader in Me 3.6 together.
Okay.
So he supported me for my decision, and now he's also happy, convinced, and learning. He's more with Meghna ma'am sessions. Even I am doing, but I am more on technical side.
अच्छा है यार,
Learning.
कोई मेरे side
You have someone.
Yes, I have someone.
Yes. And we are very much disciplined, following, meditating with the family, with kids.
So let me ask you this specific question that when you started, like before doing Cashtag and before doing ABCT, did you have any background in stock market?
Yeah, so my dad is a stockbroker from
Okay.
past 20 years.
So yeah, so
Yeah.
you already have some background, right? But have you traded or invested consistently or like?
It was always on him. I
On
gave
him,
money
so-
and he invests
Okay,
for
he
me.
invests, you don't invest,
Yes.
right? And what? By the way, what is your profession? Both of you, what do you do?
So we both are engineers. We both are instrumentation engineers.
So tell me about. It's almost 6 months in the program. So one thing on technical and one thing on the mindset. What is the thing which is working for you, and how do you feel that from a non-background, which is engineering to trading, how do you find that?
I am completely a novice. So
Now you can't say that.
yes,
Okay.
I was completely novice, but now yes, I am. Keep on learning, growing. Still more to go. Learn more strategies, deep, focused. So I can say I have learned the concept, the technicalities, the future and options where people used to say कि ये नहीं करना चाहिए, ये तो loss ही होता है. But I am a strong believer when you learn the things technically, focus on it and believe. If you have your own belief and confident about yourself, when you master the learnings, definitely you are going to get your good results.
Yes.
So
great.
I am get good results now with each
Right.
and
So
every
what
session.
system you are following? Right. What kind of top bottom RSI, moving average, or options, or what is your favorite thing going on which you are comfortable?
As in Trader in Me 3.6, I am following top bottom. The support is awesome by the back team of Malkan's View. So we are following top bottom. Also, I take future and option calls on a daily basis.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah, even RSI, moving average, we have very good results in cup strategy.
Cup strategy, yes.
Yeah.
Let me know which cup did you buy? Which stock did you buy in the cup pattern? Last was which was?
So last I bought in February. This was PNB Glitz.
PNB Glitz.
Yeah.
Acha.
I searched on my own
Okay.
after ABCT and not even in TEM. I searched after ABCT.
Okay, you searched on your own.
Yes.
Okay, what was the price you bought?
60 rupees.
And now how much it is?
It's around 72, but I sold at 90.
You sold at 90, so that 10, 20, 30%.
Exactly.
Any other cups you traded?
2 cups are still on.
Two.
VSSL.
And
That's Vardhman Special Steel.
Vardhaman Steel
Yeah.
and VSSL. And what
And-
is the buying price?
Buying is around 200. Right now it's 270.
270.
And the other is Usha Martin.
Ah.
I bought around 50. It's around 70.
All means 30-40% already upar hai.
It's already up. I have booked the profit and still holding.
Okay, some you book some and book hold. Great. Now let's talk about mindset. Like before I talk, let's unko hi bulate hain Meghna ko. Over
So
to
it's
you.
so good to see you guys. You know, you guys remind me of that time in 2007 when I first walked in to learn the basic program. Both of us walked in to learn that was the first time when the journey started for me being together. And I always speak of this, you know that as a couple, how it works when you work together, the strengths, how you capitalize on strengths. So I want to ask you both, if you'd like to share, what have your strengths been when you work together? What have you discovered? about working together, learning together, and growing together? What's the best part of it?
So far, whatever we have taken decision, we're always together, and it gives us the best result. If I say yes, she say no, I have 50% result,
Okay.
or vice versa, it may be 0%.
Okay.
But whatever we have done together has always given us more than 100%.
Okay. So,
Lovely.
well, the
And
question is that has
when
it
you-
working together improved your connection and
Yeah.
bonding after
when you
in
grow
special-
together,
Yeah.
how does that work for the relationship? Like,
So probably day-to-day life we have certain tensions. It gets relieved when you probably talk to each other, and that's the biggest. I would say you search someone outside, you search someone as a whom do I take an advice, but when you take someone from in your house, you definitely get something better results.
Okay. And now let me ask a tough question. Did you have like tiffs or fights between buying a stock and not buying a stock? हमारा बहुत हुआ है पहले, तो मैं इसलिए पूछ रहा हूँ.
It's every day. It's every day on every trade. But now it's much stabilized, and I would say much on the normalized thing. New normal has been now with us.
Okay.
We really take decisions together. We buy at whatever we agree.
Great.
and how does that shift the family environment when you're learning, when you're watching videos together, when you're doing the meditation? How does that affect the family? You said your family
Yeah.
also does it with you.
So while doing the meditation, we explain them that this is Meghna ma'am and Vishal sir's, meditation. We have joined this trading, and if you do it, it increases in learning, in growth, in memory power. So then they also involve themselves with us, and
Love.
they actually our kids follow their parents.
Yes.
So
That's
they
the
just
thing.
follow us.
What message would you like
Yeah,
to give
exactly.
to couples,
What would
especially
you like
if they
to
are doing
tell them?
together? What help? Why would you recommend them to do together, like two people in the house?
So we joined Balkans on 3 values. The first is the transparency. We see it till day. There is no change. The honesty, and they give you a good direction. So as Vishal says, if you are running on a high speed and you want to go at the right point, you need a direction, and Vishal has that.
Thank you so
Great.
much.
Thank you so much.
Transparency,
Thank you for
honesty,
your
and
time to
Thank
come
you so
on
much
this
for
show. Thank
joining.
you.
सो देखा आपने कैसे उन्होंने रिजल्ट्स को अचीव किया. कोई भी बैकग्राउंड से हो ट्रेडर बन सकते हो. खाली आपको थोड़ी मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, थोड़ा पढ़ाई करना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा बैक टेस्टिंग करना पड़ेगा. You'll have to work hard and then you can become a professional trader. Now all these are my Trader in Me students. We have a program called Trader in Me 1-year program, and it is starting soon. The next batch is starting here in this month. And if you want to check out more details, if you're committed, if you're ready to put some money, if you're ready to put some effort, if you're ready to have that enthusiasm to learn and give this new profession some time and effort so that you become the level where you want to in terms of being a professional, then check out the details for this new batch of Trader Me program 4.5 at malkanwebinar.com.